So here's a happy accident. Screws. I normally use these things. Screw fix. They're okay. They're going all right. I've had a few snap, which is always a bit of a pain, especially if you've got nowhere else to sneak the screw next to it. However, tool station, I needed to bump the order up probably about 2 months ago now. So I just whacked some screws in it and I found these. Spectre. Really pleased with them. I bought about 3 packets, like I say. It was just to bump the order up to get free delivery. And I'm really impressed. So, yeah, we bought the farm yesterday. Basically, I cleaned them out. They're 3 multi-packs. Works out about 20 quid a pack cheaper, I think. However, the good thing about these, they've got this little bit here. And the idea is it reams the top piece so it doesn't jack up when you're screwing them together. And I'll try and demonstrate, because this is one of the ones that I normally use. And I'm going to do this one-handed. There might be a bit of elbow action in here, but brace yourself. There we go. All right. And then we try the new one, Spectre. Well, that went in a bit easier. Now, the idea is, see how they go in. This one, well, you can see I can move it with my fingers. It takes a little bit of doing. If you had 2 in it, it wouldn't move at all. But let's see what this one is. This one, I'm not exaggerating, I can't move it. There we go. Get in there. So there we go. I'm happy with that. Spectre screws. Quite a good price on them as well, actually. So yeah, little tip for you. Happy days.
I feel amazing, being on this highlight every single day, and man, it's like a highlight. This is what I bathe and excited because I know I'm going in places. Everything I want is coming to me. Getting DMs asking how much for a feature. Tell them if it's right.